This is the Foundation Term 1 demonstration video using a starter pack. In the teaching sequence, PLD provides a lesson block structure Monday through to Friday, starting with a whole class daily review before moving into teacher-directed group tasks. The Term 2, 3 and 4 daily review in Foundation differs to the Term 1 pre-CBC daily reviews. Term 1 targets pre-CBC skills using the flip books. We start with alphabet sounds and letter formation, blending for reading and segmentation for spelling. Starting with the alphabet sounds. What is this sound? S of snake. Fantastic. What is this sound? I have A of apple. Good. What is this sound? Of tiger. Now let's practice writing this sound. Now let's remind ourselves it is down and across. Down and across. Now let's practice writing the sound in the air. T. T. Well done. What's this sound? P. P of pop. Good. What's this sound? E of itchy. Oh, I'm so itchy. Let's practice writing this letter in the air. You ready? Let's remind ourselves down and dot, down and dot. You ready? E. E. Good. What is this sound? Where's your tongue? Back of your teeth, ready? Of nose. Good. Next we're moving to our pre-reading skill, which is learning to blend 3 phonemes. I have a picture hidden. Can you guess this picture? It is a picture of a R-O-D. R-O-D. I'll do it first. R-O-D. Can you join in with me, everyone? R-O-D. R-O-D. How have you got? Pushing all those sounds together. What can you hear? R-O-D. What is it? Rain? No. Very good try though. I can hear you got that initial sound. R. Let's try again. You ready? We'll go up here. R-O-D. Rod. Your turn. Go. Rod. Push them together. Rod. What can you hear? Rod. Fantastic. So if you're right, yes. Let's do another one. I have a picture hidden. It is a picture of a M-A-G. 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 Your turn. Come on. M-A-G. What can you hear? As we go pushing those sounds together, what is it? Hug? You are so close. I can hear that final sound. You're so close. Let's go again. Ready? Mug. Mug. Your turn. Come on. Mug. Let's have another go. Mug. What is it? Mug. Fantastic. There he is. It's a mug you drink from. Let's have one more go. Ready? I have a picture hidden. It is a picture of red. Red. Your turn. Come on. Red. 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 How much have we got pushing those sounds together? What can you hear? Red. You are spot on. Well done. Now we're moving to our pre-spelling of segmentation. What is the initial, the medial and the final sound in our CBC words? What are the sounds in the word I'll go first. You ready? T, a, p, t, a, p. Join me. Ready, everyone? T, a, p, t, a, p. Tap. Good. What are the sounds in the word pan? Pan. I have p, a, n. Everyone. P, a, n. P, a, n. Pan. Okay, one more. What are the sounds in the word net? Net. N-et. 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 Everyone. N-et. What are my sounds? N-et. Net. The flip books should be presented 3 to 4 times a day. That can be done in your literacy block time, transition time, or by using small groups with the support staff to focus on specific skills. The education assistant's role is usually with the Tier 3 children. Now, an option is to modify your daily review by incorporating your support staff or education assistant into focusing with the small group work, usually the children who are not keeping the pace with the rest of the class. Now, this approach will facilitate smaller groups, a narrow focus, and typically higher engagement as students are learning with their specific needs. To conclude the data review, we move into adult-assisted CBC word reading practice. So before we wrap up the daily review with the whole class, lots and lots of repetition of continuous blending applied to CBC words. So initially, continuous blending. T, app, t, app, t, app. Push the sounds together. T, app. When the children are able to decode, you reveal the picture. So for example, I have the word sat, sat, sat. Let's have a go at putting those sounds together, push them together. Sat. Word is sat. Amazing. I'll reveal the picture so the kids can see. Adult-assisted CBC decoding gives the practice of applying the pre-CBC skills of blending to CBC words right from the outset of term 1. Now we move into the teacher-directed group tasks. So this is a 15-minute adult-assisted CBC task. Following the data review, there are 2 targeted teaching groups. The first one is instructed by the teacher. We start with additional reading practice, a minimum of 3 CBC words. Again, we start with continuous blending and then may drop down to discontinuous. Then we move into adult-assisted guided CBC spelling task without letter formation. Option 1 is to make the words and we replace the initial, the medial or the final sounds to create new CBC words. What are my sounds in the word pan? I have p, a, n, p, a, n. What if we were to swap our medial sound for an I to make the word pin? Pin. Pin. Can you make the word pin for me? Good. I, n. What are my sounds in pin? P, I, n. P, I, n. Now, what if I wanted to change that final sound to make the word pit? Pit. What's a pit? Something can drop into a deep, dark pit, or you can have an armpit. Pit. Pit. It. What are my sounds in pit? It. Good. Remember to use lowercase letter tiles and we're removing the letter formation from these spelling tasks. Next, we move into adult-assisted CBC spelling with letter formation. Now, again, you can make the words for the students, or the students may choose their own CBC word to start with, and we're going to swap letters out to make another CBC word. Using your whiteboards, I want you to tell me, what are the sounds in the word pan? Pan. I use a pan to cook with. Pan. What are my sounds in pan? I have p. What's my medial sound? A. Down, up and over. Good. Pan. Pan. Now, using this word pan, I want you to change the word for me to pin. What are the sounds in the word pin? I've got p, I, Well, it sounds like p, sound the same. What do I need to do? I can rub out my medial sound. I want the word pin. P, I, Good. Swap it in. Down and dot. Down and dot. I now want you to change the word pin to the word pit. Pit. What are my sounds in pit? I have p, it. Okay, so we're going to change our p, final sound to a t. Lucky we've been practicing our t letter formation today. Let's have a look. What's my t? Down and across. Down and across. What are my sounds in pit? P, it, pit. The assistant-directed group task. This is the education assistant's role within the 15-minute group instruction. So on a Monday and Wednesday, the assistant facilitated task will be letter formation tasks. Tuesday and Thursday is assistant facilitated CBC spelling tasks using Wikisticks. And on a Friday, it is assistant facilitated CBC reading tasks. There is an option to add an independent group task into your literacy block time. Now, they are semi-independent tasks, but please note, by adding in a third group, you are adding 15 minutes to your lesson block time. In the teaching sequence manual, PLD provides a lesson block structure. Let's recap. For foundation in term 1, it is a Monday through to Friday whole class daily review, followed by a teacher-directed group task, then moving into adult-assisted directed group tasks.
If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.